Good morning, welcome back to another video. Hi Dale. Do you want to say hi? Good morning. But welcome back to another video. I figured I would do a fall inspired video just because I am very excited for fall. Yeah, just because I am very excited for fall, so I kind of wanted to do a lot of fall content. I thought it would be fun. And then, so this morning I made coffee and I'm about to eat some mush oats. I thought the color was kind of fallish, and this is also my favorite flavor, so it kind of works out. Thought these were kind of cute fall vibes. So yeah, I am going to do the 5-minute journal. I'm gonna also journal in a notebook. Okay, I'm getting ready to go to the gym, and this is just like a quick outfit of the day. I was planning on wearing a white top with these brown pants, but 2 of the white shirts that I had clean were stained somehow in my drawer. So we're gonna have to do a load of whites after this, but that's fine. So we're looking like a little ripe banana today, which is so cute. I got this yellow Nike tank top at Dick's Sporting Goods, and then I got these brown pants from Gymshark, and then I'm just wearing white sneakers. Let's get going. Hi, it's a new day. I'm actually at the park. I am just sitting in the shade, trying to get a break from the sun. It is a very beautiful day. It's actually one of the coolest days it's been in a while. It's like 83 or something like that, and it hasn't been this cool in forever. But so that's nice. I'm just sitting out here playing Pokemon and enjoying it. So now I'm going to go on Pinterest and look for some fall fashion inspo. Hopefully some inspo for my trip as well to North Carolina in a few weeks. So let's do that. I'm going to create a new board for fall fashion. Create. Alright, let's see. I really like this top a lot, so we're gonna save it. Let's just start on my home page. I'm actually going to change it to fall inspo. Save everything fall vibes that I really like and go from there. I'm really liking the silhouette of this one and this one. So let's just look. So I've been really loving outfits like this, so we're going to save. Yeah. Really something. Okay. And something else that I do whenever I'm like trying to search for something, I usually put aesthetic at the end because it usually is more with what I'm looking for. So I do this fall aesthetic. Okay, I just saved it, but I really like this photo. I have a denim, like an oversized denim jacket that I usually wear and style every year, but I really like the silhouette of this. I don't think I've ever seen a denim jacket tucked in, so that's quite interesting to me, but I really like it, so we're gonna go and look at photos under it. Okay. I think I have a good amount of inspo now. I'll have my Pinterest linked below if you see any pins that you are curious about. I'm actually going to repaint my nails because I painted them red for Halloween Horror Nights when I was running late. So I only did one coat and it's starting to kind of chip off already. Also, I didn't vlog Halloween Horror Nights just because, I don't know. I was with like a group of people and it was a lot of fun. I'll insert some clips, and it might be weird to some people, but I really like banana flavored things. And me and my sister are obsessed with this banana Slurpee, or like icy, or like banana milk, or I don't know, stuff like that. And we can't find it anywhere, but there was a banana icy when we were at Halloween Horror Nights. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to like bring one home for her, but I got one and it was quite good. I like missed it. But yeah, we got to go in a good amount of houses, I would say. They were a lot of fun. The Stranger Things one was super cool, but I also love Stranger Things, so that was really exciting. And yeah, that was pretty much it now. I forget how cold nail polish remover is. I just finished taking my nail polish off and I am just going to use this. I think it's Nails by London. I got it at Sally Beauty, but I thought it was the prettiest red that they had in the store. I'm just going to do my nails now, but thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed and maybe got some fall inspo, or are now inspired to go to Halloween Horror Nights or anything like that. I will most likely do another one of these videos just because I love fall. So stay tuned and I will see you guys soon.